Hello guys and welcome back to our channel. The last time you saw us on our adventure we were in Cluj and the weather was a little bit better, the sun was shining and it was not cold. But in the meantime we got back to Brasov and guess what? It's freaking cold. I mean, look at Gigi, she's dressed like a penguin with all the clothes on her that she owns.
Pigeon plane.
Around the pigeons.
Yeah.
Now we're walking through the streets of Brasov and we're gonna show you how Brasov looks like before Christmas. Come with us for an adventure.
I'm so freezing, guys.
Gigi is freezing now. She's literally dressed with all her clothes and she put her gloves on. She's turning slowly into an icicle.
I mean, we survived last year and 2 years back. We survived the winter in Kazakhstan, right? In South Siberia. But for some reason, I don't know, I stopped getting used to the temperatures with the cold weather and now I'm just freezing. And even though it's the city we've been living for like most of our lives, I stopped getting used to the cold weather. So people are just walking around normally. They're not like feeling
It's not
cold
that
or
cold,
anything.
Gigi. I think it's like
I have my gloves
it's 5
on.
degrees only.
5 degrees. Just imagine.
You've been in
See?
way colder weather.
Yeah, that's true. But that's the point. I'm freezing now and I don't understand why. This is the Rope Street. I can't believe I didn't actually like showed you this place because it's one of the most popular places in Brasov. It's one of the narrowest streets in Eastern Europe, and as you can see I cannot fully stretch my arms here. So there are actually people living here in the left side and the right side.
Yes, and actually in this house over there my boss is living.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, not
My former
film
boss.
that.
Yeah.
We want to give the guy some privacy. So as you can see, these are some graffitis. Well, this rope street has been opened as a public exhibition, right? For everybody to be able to come here and to write whatever they want on the wall, like messages, years, I don't know, names, like
Instagram handles, everything.
everything. Like if you're in search for friends and you don't know anyone here in
Even
Brasov,
Scooby-Doo.
you can at least come here and grab some like handles from this place and
Yes.
just contact the people around, right?
We will get demonetized if you translate everything.
The best thing that I think it's like here it says like we live here. So basically people live here, so we're not supposed to make a lot of noise. But I'm super happy that the place is empty now because I think we came just in the right time to film it. This was used as a firefighting like shortcut for people who wanted to come here and to I don't know, to reach to extinguish fires like super fast, right? So I cannot feel my arms and my fingers.
But how? It's only like 5 degrees outside.
Well, maybe for you it's warm, but for me it's super cold. Guys, let me know. Do you like hot weather or cold weather more?
I mean,
Which one do you like more?
I like cold weather. Because in cold weather you can always put some jacket on you and some more clothes and everything is gonna be okay. Rather than in hot weather where you take all your clothes off and then it's still hot and still you cannot do anything anymore. At least in cold weather you can put more clothes on you and it's gonna be okay.
Yeah, I think hot weather more because as you can see, like I'm a dead person, but I'm dead meat, frozen meat when it comes to cold weather. Well, we had lots of fun today in the city center in Brasov, even though it was a bit cold. The weather was still nice, we had some sun.
A little bit of update from us. Right now we are struggling to finally leave Romania again and start a different adventure. But it takes a while, and as you know, processing a visa is a little bit tricky. But nevertheless, we're gonna keep you updated on our Instagram page as soon as we find out what we're gonna do. So thank you for watching our video, guys. Thank you for following us around.
Thank you.
Please subscribe and all the good stuff from me to you. See you guys in the next one.
See
Bye.
you. Bye.